When water flows right, everything works better. At Virgo Holdings Ltd, we provide professional plumbing solutions for both residential and commercial spaces across Kenya. From fresh installations to emergency repairs, we handle water piping systems, bathroom and kitchen fittings, water heating and boiler systems, high-rise building plumbing, leak detection, and drainage solutions. But that's not all, we also specialize in installation of pressure-boosting pumps and tanks, greywater and wastewater treatment connections, stormwater, drainage systems, and plumbing fit-outs for hotels, hospitals, apartments, and industrial facilities. Our expert team guarantees precision, durability, and compliance with safety standards. Whether it's a new build or a renovation, we ensure your plumbing is reliable, efficient, and built to last. Want professional advice or a site assessment? Call us today on 072-252-4770, email info@virgoholdings.co.ke, visit www.virgoholdings.co.ke. Virgo Holdings, we keep your water systems flowing right.